Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today we're going to do a really neat decomposition reaction with a can of soda, a little bit of sodium hydroxide dissolved in water, and a shish kebab stick. Check it out. The first step in this experiment is to sand off all the paint on any can of soda. Okay, second, add a little bit of water to a beaker. You got 200 milliliters, and then add some of your sodium hydroxide and stir it in. Okay, now you're ready to lower your can of soda into your sodium hydroxide. I'm going to come all the way up to the top. And you're going to leave it in there for a couple hours. Right away you can see it reacting. The aluminum on the soda is reacting with the sodium hydroxide. And it's giving off a lot of heat. Now the last step, and it's really important, while it's reacting, take your shish kebab stick and put it through the tab so it supports the can on both sides of the beaker, because after a few hours, you'll see why it needs to be held up by the sides of the glass. This is after just 15 minutes. Check out what's really inside your pop can. It's a plastic liner. Look at that. It's not really Coke against aluminum. It's Coke against this little plastic liner that you can see. Check it out. You can even see the Coke still in there. It's leaking out one side of it. But inside every aluminum can is this plastic liner. So what's going on in this cool reduction reaction is the minute you add aluminum to sodium hydroxide, it starts to release hydrogen gas, and you can see those bubbles reacting right now. It also creates the salt called sodium aluminate that has all kinds of industrial purposes. We use sodium aluminate to actually solidify concrete. Things to take into consideration with this reaction is it's highly exothermic. It takes place around 900 degrees Fahrenheit. I can feel heat coming off the beaker. Also remember that sodium hydroxide is very caustic in this cool reaction in RamZland.